Let's do like a sandwich with the white. So I should maybe put them in here. I didn't want to put the, I don't want to put the black on top of the white, so I'm gonna put this beautiful color. Oh, and I didn't put any cell. Let's just put, there's a lot of painting here. I'm just gonna put 2 drops. 3 drops on each of the colors. Get the dark. See, this is more full than the other. Let's put the pink, this pink color. Maybe a little one more of the black in there. We'll see. Now the trick is to put these 2 cups. By the way, this, I calculated how much of the ounces I need, and I'm gonna show you in a minute. So let me bring it. This is an 8 by 20 canvas, so you multiply 8 by 20 times 0.10, so 10% of 8 by 20, that's 16 ounces, plus you add an extra 2 for the edges, so it will need about 18 ounces. There are 14 ounces in the cups, but the other 4 I'm gonna put them in the as negative space. That's what I'm planning on doing. And by the way, I am going to, I'm leaving this to let's see, I'm gonna put some black in the middle. That's gonna help with the amount of ounces that it needs to have. Gonna do what I always do. So this is gonna help with the amount of ounces that it needed. I don't know if this is gonna be successful, but we'll see. I'm gonna zip it underneath that white. Wow. And I'm gonna do the same on the other one. Wow. Okay. It's escaping, so let me go ahead and fast with the torch. Okay, so let's move these from here. I already know I may not like that area, but let's see, it is, I am losing it, so I'm gonna stop for moving. That's okay, we're gonna lose some, and there's no way that you can keep all this. Let's move it to that corner. Let's move it to this corner. was a caterpillar in there, so. Okay. Okay. So we are going to torch again. So much paint in the bottom, and I torch it. Let me just fix that mess that I did in there. So I don't know. I'm thinking that I need to remove it from here so that I can play with it. I don't think it needs the marble, and I don't know if I want to. Let's see. I don't want to lose the negative area that are areas that it has, and it is very interesting. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to torch it a tiny bit more in that area. If something else comes from there. Seems that it has a lot of bubbles, so I need to do this second torching. Hopefully it doesn't crack because of all this torching. Ooh, I like what is happening in there. The gold is coming through the black. Okay, so I have to move these so that those cells get bigger. Should we lose that section in there? Because it looks strange, no? I do like that. That's why I don't want to move it too much. Let's see, maybe a little bit. I really like it. I hope you like it, because when I like something, nobody does. That's my... Oh, it happened that way. There. There. And I'm gonna move it a tiny bit in here. I like the drama with that black area. I like it's a black. There's some black in here, but I like the drama of the contrast with that black. So I do like that black. I wish some of those cells have how do you say, go on top of that, but they didn't. So that's okay. Yeah, they didn't. That's all the cells that we're getting. We still have a lot of bubbles. Guys, I think this is beautiful. I'm just going to move it to a clean area so that I can take a photo. And thank you for joining me. And we didn't get to do the marbles, so we're going to do them a different day. Didn't think this was going to be so gorgeous that it didn't need the marbles. It is, in my opinion, gorgeous. So I hope you do like it. I'm going to bring you in closer. I hope it dries very pretty because these are all metallic colors. Thank you for joining me. Please come back for other videos. Bye bye.